and poems of the first semester. Okay, so totally how many lessons are there? First semester there are 6 lessons including poem also, and the last one today I am going to teach you the last lesson of the first semester. Okay, so all of you open your page number 39. Yes, before starting the lesson I would like to tell you some questions I will ask you, so please answer me. So in your childhood you have seen these so many cartoon channels, okay, cartoon stories you have seen. So there are different type of cartoons are there, cartoon stories. For example, Tom and Jerry, yes, Oogie and the Cockroaches, like Motu Patlu, Chota Bheem. Yes, there are different cartoon stories are there. So would you like to watch it now? So everyone will like to watch the cartoon. Okay, in the cartoon there is a one famous story. There was a one famous story is there. Do you know what is that? What story it is? Do you know that name? The story is Jungle Book. The Jungle Book. So have you seen the Jungle Book story? So Jungle Book, jungle, the name itself indicates that Jungle Book. Jungle means all the wild animals and the forest. Yes. So why I am talking about this cartoon means now I am going to teach you the lesson about the one cartoon story that is taken from the Jungle Book. The Jungle Book, famous story of the cartoon. Okay, let us begin. Find the names of these characters of the Jungle Book in the grid. Okay, in the Jungle Book, there are some main characters are there. Like in your Motu and Patlu, how the Motu and Patlu is the main character. In the Jungle Book also there are some main characters are there. So, which are those? Those are Bagheera, Mowgli, Sher Khan, Balu, Akela. Okay. Bagheera, Mowgli, Sher Khan, Bhalu, Akela. These are the main characters of the Jungle Book. Famous characters. So, Akela is the leader of wolf. In the pack of wolf, he is the leader. The leader of wolf is called Akela. And the Sher Khan is none other than lion. And Balu is a wolf. And Mowgli. Who is Mowgli? Mowgli is a small baby. For that, they kept name as a Mowgli. Okay, so what you have to do is in the given grade you need to circle these names. Okay, Bagheera, Mowgli. Yes, shall we start the lesson now? I will read the lesson. Please concentrate. Open page number 39. Here I will write it. The page number 39. Okay. Yes. Father Wolf got up and listened. Far below in the valley, he heard the dry, angry snarling of a hungry tiger. It was Sher Khan, the lame tiger. Yes. See here, Father Wolf means the wolf of father. The father wolf. Wolf is a big one. Woke up and listened. What he listened? He listened that the far below in the valley he heard the dry angry snarling. Far below means in the far distance the father wolf heard the dry angry snarling. Snarling means making an angry sound. Snarling means making an angry sound. Making an angry sound. So, how the animals makes the sound in the anger, that we call it as the snarling. Okay, making an angry sound. So here, who was making the sound, angry sound? The tiger. Hungry tiger. That too, the tiger Khan. The name of the tiger was Sher Khan. Sher andre enu? Sher Khan. The tiger name. The hungry tiger name is Sher Khan. The lame tiger. Lame means what? Not able to walk properly. Not able to walk properly. Something has happened to that tiger. So that's why it is not able to walk properly. Not able to walk properly. Yes, one tiger was not able to walk properly and it was hungry, very much hungry. The tiger name is Sher Khan. Okay. The fool said, Father Wolf. The fool said, Father Wolf, he is making so much noise that he will scare away all the animals. So, he is making so much noise that he will scare away all the animals. Who was making the sound? The Sher Khan was making so much noise that he will scare away all the animals. Then we will not find any animals when we go hunting. The hungry tiger was making so much noise for that the fool, the father wolf said that the fool, ಎಂತ ಮೂರ್ಖಿದ ನೀನು ಇಷ್ಟು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೋ ಕಾಡಿನಿಂದ ಓಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವ. So when we go for hunting we won't get anything to eat. He was thinking about his food. He is not hunting animals, he is hunting man, said Mother Wolf. The mother said that he is not hunting animals. The Sher Khan is not hunting animals. He is hunting man. ಅವನು ಮನುಷ್ಯನನ್ನ ಬೇಟೆಯಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ. He is hunting man, said the mother wolf. ತಾಯಿ ತೋಳ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತು? Wolf ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತೋಳ. So father said, Father Wolf and the mother wolf. There was a sudden howl. Whatever Sher Khan was hunting, he has missed it. There was a sudden howl. Means sudden howl. Whatever Sher Khan was hunting, he has missed it. The father said, yes, you are right. Whatever the Sher Khan was finding, hunting, I think he has missed it. ಅವನೇನು ಹುಡುಕ್ತಿದ್ದಾನಲ್ಲ ಶೇರ್ ಖಾನ್, ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಹಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಟೆ ಆಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹುಡುಕ್ತಿದ್ದ ಅದು ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತಂದು ಫಾದರ್ ವುಲ್ಫ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. He cannot even hunt that lame one. Again, the father wolf started to scold that the tiger, that lame tiger, that what he said, he cannot even hunt. The Sher Khan cannot even hunt because the lame one means he is not able to walk properly. Something has happened to him. He cannot walk properly. How he can hunt? Turn the page. Mother wolf was inside the cave with her 4 cubs. Okay, the mother wolf was having a 4 cubs, means 4 small wolves. Wolf marige ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Cubs. The 4 cubs. Suddenly she heard a noise. Get ready. Suddenly she heard a noise that get ready. Something is coming up the hill. She said to Father Wolf, for she was always worried that someone would attack her cubs. Okay, so Mother Wolf was inside the cave. Cave ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗುಹೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮದರ್ ವುಲ್ಫ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದರ 4 ಮರಿಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Get ready, something is coming up the hill. So she heard the sound noise that something is coming up the hill. For she always worried that someone would attack her cubs. The mother wolf was what? Worried. Always she used to worry that if somebody would attack the cubs. Father wolf was about to spring towards the noise. The father wolf was about to spring towards the noise. Spring means to move or jump suddenly. Spring. Spring means to jump suddenly. Okay, the father wolf was about to spring, means he is ready to jump suddenly. For that, when towards the noise, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಿಗಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಫಾದರ್ ವುಲ್ಫ್ ಇತ್ತು. When he suddenly stopped, but The father wolf stopped suddenly. There in the clearing, by a low branch, by a low branch lay a naked baby. There is a clearing, andre there was some gap. In that gap, there was a one low branch of a tree was there. There is a lay a naked baby. Lay a naked baby means one small baby adar melgade malkondittu. Yes, a soft brown baby who looked into the wolf's face and laughed. That baby was very small and soft brown baby who looked into the wolf's face. That baby looked into the wolf's face and laughed. So suddenly some babies know the new person or new face means what they will do. They used to laugh now by seeing their face. It is a man cub, snarled father wolf. It is a man cub. The father said that it is a man cub means manushana ondu marige. Man cub andrenu manushara mari. Yes, is it a man cub? Bring it to me. Yes, hauda adu manushana mariya, so then bring it to me andre ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಾ. I have never seen one, said mother wolf. I have never seen the man cub, so please bring it to me, the mother wolf said. Although a wolf has a very sharp teeth, he can pick up an egg without breaking it if he wants to. So here the wolf's teeth was very sharp. Yes, so a tolada ಒಂದು ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳಿಂದ teeth, it is very sharp, but he can pick up the egg without breaking it. Means he has a idea how to pick up the soft things. If they want means they can pick up the things very softly without breaking it. Means ಒಂದು ಎಗ್ಗನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಒಡಿಲಾರದೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾವಂದ್ರೆ, so imagine, so it can pick up the baby very smoothly. Father wolf picked up the little baby gently and brought it to mother wolf. So the father wolf, what the father wolf did, whatever the mother wolf suggested, the father wolf agreed for that. So the baby was the naked baby, andre ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಇಲ್ಲಾರ್ದೆ ಮಗು ಆ ಬೇಬಿ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅವತ್ತು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪಾಪು. So that father wolf picked up that small little one and baby gently and brought it to the mother. Gently he brought it to the mother wolf. Mother wolf saw the little one and loved it. That mother wolf saw that little baby and she loved that. She gave so much love and affection to that baby. How little, how soft and how brave, said mother wolf. By saying that little baby, the mother wolf said that how little, how soft and how brave. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಣ್ಣದಿದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬ್ರೇವ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಮದರ್ wolf ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. I shall call it Mowgli, the little frog. So the mother wolf kept the name for that baby, that is Mowgli. Mowgli means a small baby's name. I shall call it Mowgli, the little frog. Mowgli means the little frog. For the little frog, what we call it as the Mowgli, but here Mowgli means a little baby. Yes, little baby name is Mowgli. Yes. Suddenly the mother wolf kept the baby name as a Mowgli. Suddenly the mouth of the cave became dark. Mouth of the cave means the entrance of the cave. See here, for example, this is the cave. Yes. So think that this is the cave. The mouth of the cave became dark means the entrance. The cave entrance became dark here. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕತ್ತಲೆ. ಅದರದ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಎಂಟರ್ಗೆ ಕತ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಬಾಗಿಲು ಓಪನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದ ಶಾಡೋ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡಾರ್ಕ್. Shere Khan was looking into the cave. The Shere Khan, that hungry tiger, was standing out of the cave and it is looking into the cave. The cave was too small for Shere Khan to get inside. See here, the Shere Khan, the tiger is a big one and this is the cave of Wolf Cave and this is the Wolf Cave. Yes, this is the Wolf Cave. See here, the wolf is smaller than the tiger. So, this cave is very small. So, the tiger cannot get into this cave because this cave enter the door of the cave is very small. But the Shere Khan is very big. He stood outside and drawled, "I want my man cub." So, the Shere Khan stood outside only. Stood means stand in the past tense ಏನು stood. ಆ Shere Khan ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಆ ಕೇವ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು I want my man cub. So the Shere Khan shouted that I want my man cub. Growled. Growl means to make a frightening, unfriendly sound. Growl. Growl means what? Unfriendly sound. Unfriendly sound. Okay, so growl means what? Unfriendly sound. The Shere Khan was stood outside and it made the some growl, unfriendly sound it made. Okay, the wolves are free people. We only take orders from our pack leader. The man cub is ours. We will keep it or we will kill it. It has nothing to do with you, said Father Wolf angrily. So when the Shere Khan said that I want my man cub, nange baby the mari baby ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಮಗು ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ, so the father wolf said that the wolves are free people. We, the wolves means we all are the free people. We only take orders from our pack leader. So we have our pack leader. Pack means a group of wolves. So we have our leader. We only listen to our leader order. The man cub is ours. This baby is ours. The man cub is ours. We only keep it or we will kill it. We will kill it or we will keep it, that baby. It has nothing to do with you. What work you do with that baby? It has nothing to do with you. So said the father wolf angrily. The father wolf got angry. He said these are all the words. Okay children, next what happens? Shere Khan roared with all his might, the man cub is mine. So again the Shere Khan started to roar that the man cub is mine. Do you dare refuse to give him to me? Do you dare refuse to give him to me? It is I, Shere Khan, who speaks. It is I. Do you dare to refuse to give him to me? ನೀನು ಅದನ್ನ ನನಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ, ನಿರಾಕರಿಸಿದ್ಯಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಧೈರ್ಯ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಹೌ ಡೇರ್ ಯು? ದ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಬ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನ್. ಆ ಒಂದು ಬೇಬಿ ಮರಿ, ಆ ಬೇಬಿ ಮಗು ಯಾರ್ದು? ನಂದದು. ಮೈನ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈನ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಐ, ಶೇರ್ ಖಾನ್, ಹೂ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಐ, ಇದು ನಾನು, ಶೇರ್ ಖಾನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಯಾರು? ಶೇರ್ ಖಾನ್. In a flash, Mother Wolf was at the mouth of the cave. Again, the Mother Wolf came into the cave and said that, and it is I, Raksha. And it is I, Raksha, the demon wolf. Demon means nanu. Raksha anta demon. Demon andre ಒಂದು ಭೂತ, ದೊಡ್ಡ wolf. Demon wolf who speaks. Man cub is mine. He shall live with my cubs and hunt with the pack. So this man cub is mine. He shall live with my cubs. I have other cubs also. So he shall live with all the cubs and hunt with the pack. It will, the baby cub, the man baby cub is hunt with the pack, the mother wolf said. So next what happens? We'll see it in the next class, dear students. Okay. So till then, read this lesson. Read the full lesson. Yes. here. They have given the picture, the father wolf and the mother wolf, and this is the cave. Here they are standing, and these all are the 4 calves of that, and this is father wolf, mother wolf, 4 calves, and this is the baby laying on the branch. Yes. And remaining story will continue in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.